Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your boy, Irfan. I'm gonna be playing. I forgot this game name. I think it was. Yeah, Drifting Cars. If you wanna play, it's really good. Oh my gosh, I got cars. These are the cars I have, and they're pretty cool. I like them. Okay, I should use this. I wanna customize the car. Should I get what should I get? Should I get Midnight or should I get huh? Oh yeah. Or should I oh I thought oh yeah. By the way. Or should I get the blue color? I don't know which one I should get, so y'all tell me. Comment down below to tell me. I'm probably gonna have some comment section open. Like some people that they comment down below in their comments. Is it open? They're pretty like that. Yeah. Let me see how much this? That's it. I should get the very cool. And this is actually oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. What? What? Oh yeah, there's no ship left. No, I'm gonna die. No, I'm gonna die. I don't wanna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, guys. I'm so sorry. I have to die. Bye. No! Bruh. Should have. Let me choose a different car. This doesn't drift that much. Oh, I should keep this car. I should do, nah, gray. I should do gray. Anyways, oh. Popcat. Watson? That's a mom. Oh. Yeah, he's cool. He's cool. What is he doing? Oh, how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Oh, okay, go for it. Nacho, die! Nacho, Yusuf. Nacho, Yusuf. Ooh. Happy. Okay. Here's the thing about love in high school. Love does not thrive in the atmosphere of complete paranoia. So everyone can spiral tense day at high school is Jeremy Cove love. Evil voice. Be sappy master. What does that mean, guys? Comment down below. If you haven't spiraling today, you gotta stop. You've been named Morning Dude. I'm happy I'm gonna help you. What? I see Bubbles carry his car. Why don't you block that up? They're calling me different numbers. What? We talked about what are they talking? Oh my gosh. How? 2 people. Well, I'm not sure about Reed tried to reach me many times last night. I don't know why. Oh my gosh. It is night over here. Many times. Hit on him. Yeah. Get him. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Rock yes. 101 is actually secretly the best player. I don't know how. Oh my gosh. Why? Why? Yo, why the best player? Where's the player time? neighborhood, please. I love the neighborhood. The neighborhood is like... And we're back. No. Yo, this is cool. This is way better. No, heck no. I'm gonna win though. I will win. What? I'm gonna drive on the road scooter and drift. I don't even think. Okay. No. Oh, he's not even here. I'm cooked. We're cooked. He's behind the house though. I don't know what. Jump! Yo! I wanted to jump over the house. That guy's cooked. I'm gonna stay with someone. Brother, get away from me. You have a bomb. Oh my gosh. Why that? Yes! Oh my gosh. Yes. Best day ever. Now Joe, go. I would have died there. Probably. Nah, I would have died. Okay. Broccoli, yes, tag. I'm gonna die. Yes! I'm gonna survive this. Please. Only like 20. Okay, I need to survive this. Thank you so much for going through the different directions. I'm gonna survive this. I'm playing the bad game. I might win. I'm winning. I'm automatically winning. I'm winning. I won. I've seen the leaderboard. One time. A what? I won 2 times? Oh, that's cool. Oh my gosh. I should buy that. I haven't bought one. Wait. I should buy a color. I should buy one on this. And I should choose the old one. Neighborhood, that's where I went. Okay, I'm gonna end the video right here. Bye guys.